What is Power BI? A comprehensive guide for enthusiasts. Power BI is a powerful business analytics tool developed by Microsoft, designed to provide interactive visualizations and business intelligence capabilities with an interface simple enough for end users to create their own reports and dashboards. This tool is essential for organizations seeking to transform their raw data into meaningful insights, facilitating informed decision-making processes. At its core, Power BI is composed of several components that work together to create a seamless data analysis experience. These components include Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, and Power BI mobile apps. Each of these plays a crucial role in the data analysis lifecycle, from data preparation to sharing insights across the organization. Power BI Desktop is a Windows application that allows users to connect to, transform, and visualize their data. It provides a robust environment for data preparation, modeling, and report creation. With Power BI Desktop, users can connect to a wide variety of data sources, including Excel spreadsheets, on-premises data sources, and cloud-based data. Once the data is connected, it can be cleaned, transformed, and modeled using Power BI's powerful data transformation tools. The Power BI service, also known as Power BI Online, is a cloud-based service that enables users to share and collaborate on reports and dashboards. It allows users to publish the reports created in Power BI Desktop, enabling easy access to interactive dashboards and reports from anywhere, at any time. This service also provides robust collaboration features, allowing teams to work together on data analysis projects and share insights with stakeholders. Power BI mobile apps offer on-the-go access to Power BI reports and dashboards. Available for iOS, Android, and Windows devices, these apps ensure that users can stay connected to their data and insights even when they are away from their desks. The mobile apps are designed to deliver a seamless experience, with intuitive navigation and interactive capabilities that make it easy to drill down into the details of your data. One of the standout features of Power BI is its ability to create interactive visualizations. These visualizations range from simple charts and graphs to complex multi-layered maps and scatterplots. The drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to build these visualizations, and users can customize them to suit their specific needs. Additionally, Power BI offers a wide range of pre-built visualizations and custom visuals created by the community, providing endless possibilities for data representation. Power BI also excels in its ability to provide real-time data analysis. By connecting to live data sources, users can monitor their data in real time and make timely decisions based on the most current information available. This capability is particularly useful for scenarios such as monitoring sales performance, tracking website analytics, or keeping an eye on key operational metrics. In conclusion, Power BI is an indispensable tool for anyone looking to leverage their data for strategic advantage. Whether you are a data analyst, business user, or IT professional, Power BI provides the tools you need to unlock the full potential of your data. For those eager to learn more, be sure to watch more videos like this in the associated playlist or the recommended video in the description of the video you just watched.